Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Nintendo gift cards. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in Nintendo gift cards and then start the search. Now within the search results, you will be able to find various links from various shopping websites such as Amazon and Target as well. You can also follow these websites to purchase your gift card, or you can use the link from Nintendo. Go ahead and click on the Nintendo eShop gift cards link, and now you can scroll down and see the details on how you can purchase your gift card. If you use external sites such as Amazon, just go into their link and you will find the Add to Cart button. Click on Add to Cart and then you will be asked to proceed with your payment information for checkout. Just enter your payment information or log into your account if you have already set it, and then your gift card will be on process to delivery on your selected address. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to buy a Nintendo gift card. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.